Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we use the $25 business is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income, which is absolutely insanity. Alright guys, so you make a lot of money on this over time, paid every month. So guys, if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here with this simple method here that we're using. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday. I'm going to refresh the page. I want to make sure you guys understand I'm not lying to you guys. The money that you see up here goes to my bank account. Boom. Alright guys, as you can see here, we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Which is totally cool. Now the first thing you guys, if you are interested in this, promoting this product, get you your links first, right? So first thing you want to do, this is my link. This is the link that I personally use. All-in-one sales letter, $25 business and stuff. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the description. Make sure to go to incomes. You'll see incomespeaks.com down there in the description. It'll take you to this page here. Now what this page is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Essentially, it's a funnel builder with no real limitations on it for $25, which is actually a really good product. If you ever built funnels before, you know that that's a really good deal. And yeah, it just talk about how much money you can make promoting this product in general. $20 to $100 monthly commissions. That's $120 on every person. It's possible for them to make. All right, sale. So yeah, it just talks about that. They also give to charity if you're interested in that. And like if you decide you want to try this out, you just go to yes, I want access to this, and you just put in your basic information to get the product here. Now if you use my link, guys, if you use my link, you get one more product here for free for 14 days, and that's HBA Premium. What is HBA Premium? HBA Premium is basically training on how to set up ads, how to set up a YouTube channel or stuff like that, how to blog, how to do all of these things in an easy manner to promote this product. So if you want to do that, you can also do that and learn different ways on how to promote this product, very efficient ways to promote this product. It's constantly updated. Basically when they find something that works better, they'll tell you about it, stuff like that, and tell you all about it. Like maybe TikTok got some new rules and you need to change the way you post or something like that. So it's constantly updated like that. It also has a AI content creation machine, so you don't even really have to think that much about what to create here. All right, you don't really gotta think that much. So it's a really cool product. For 14 days you can get it for free. Now the coolest part about this product is that if you get a sale with this product with the 14-day free trial, you will get $100 as well. You will get that $100 because like I said, 80% commission, you'll get $100 per month from that sale, even though you haven't even owned the product yet. All right guys, I give you plenty of chances. Make sure you get your money, okay? So don't worry. All right, so that's all there is to it. It's that simple. Now we need a way to promote the product. Now there's a ton of ways to promote a product like this. The most efficient ways is probably posting on like TikTok or posting YouTube shorts, any kind of shorts on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. I think will work the best. But if you want the absolute easiest way to promote this product, you go to my second link in my description, says My Lead Gen Secrets, and you click on that. And it's going to take you to this page. Now, what is my lead gen secrets? All right, basically you get 100 leads per day that you can mail once per day. So your leads keep stacking up the more people you get in it, right? And yeah, it's just that simple. So you'll slowly get more and more people into your link. So one thing I want to mention though, that these are very cold leads. They're interested in making money, but they're very cold leads. So you got to warm them up to get a sale, you know what I mean? But it really depends on your account. I'm using my worst account. I have about 10 accounts in this system. I'm using my worst account and I'm still making money with this product. So I'm just saying that. So this how many leads I have because I've been in the product. I've been in here for so long. But don't pay attention to this number. It don't really matter. To be honest with you, it don't really matter because this is my worst product and some of my newer accounts perform way better. So don't worry about if you only got 100 leads and stuff. The reason I use my worst account to promote this product for you guys is because I want to ensure that you guys can make money with this. So if my worst account can make money with this, you guys definitely can make money with it. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, we click on that, we get all our leads here. Now what we're gonna do is pick an email that ChatGPT has written for us. If you follow along, ChatGPT has written all of these emails for us, and I showed you exactly how. I think I was on this one, the mind-blowing one right here. Now, if you can go look at ChatGPT. All I really did was type in one of my emails and got it to write an email for me. So let me show you the email that I typed in if you're interested. On to the top here. This is the email I typed in right here. This is what I typed in to do it. Write an email similar to this. Then I just said I'm making money with the system. Very first week, actually it's 5. I made 320. Blah 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 blah. Right. So that's the email that I've written. You can see that. You can copy that if you want to, or you can just copy this email that I'll show you real quick. That the email wrote for me. So you can just pause the video, copy this up real quick, and I'll show the whole email real quick so you can. All right, so yeah, copy the whole thing there. Put your link right there, guys. The link in there. Hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check emails. So for example, if you were to check your emails around 8 o'clock in the morning, it'll send an email around that. So hopefully it'll be at the top of the list there. Make priority email basically. And you want to preview your link. That's gonna make sure that your link works like that right there, guys. My link does work. So if your link don't work, you can't make any money. So make sure your link works if you don't do anything else. And then you just send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Now, one more thing I want to make sure I ensnare into your brains a bit is consistency is key. Consistency is the way to do this. Do this every day. Don't worry about how pretty your emails are. Make sure to send one, right? Don't worry about how good your videos look. Make sure to post one. You see what I'm saying? Consistency is the way to go. Keep posting. Keep posting. Do it every day. Do it as often as you can. All right? Don't limit yourself. If you feel like you can do more than one a day, make sure to do more than one a day. Just do as much as you possibly can. Without wearing yourself out, of course. But post as much as you can. Consistency is the key. Make sure to post every day. Make sure to post every day. If you post every day, that's you're already on the right track. But if you post multiple times per day, you on the track way faster. So it just depends, right? That's how you make money online. Super duper consistency. All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll speak to you guys next time. Peace.